Welcome to yet another unboxing video on the Watch Kaki channel, and for today's unboxing video we have this one here, a limited edition G-Shock. So this G-Shock, it was made in collaboration with the Japanese bag brand Porter. Okay, so Porter, and this one being a Japanese brand, we have to pronounce it the Japanese way of pronunciation. So I think in Japan this one is known as Poroteru. Alright, so that's how the Japanese will pronounce this word here. So we've got really nice special kind of a print and motifs all around this box here. Alright, I know it's just a box and most likely you're not going to use it after you collect your watch and all that, but I think we need to take some time to just say how beautifully this one is done here. So it's got this print 85 here to mark the 85th anniversary of the brand. Parent company is Yoshida and company, and the brand here is Porter. So let's just flip open the lid here and see what we've got inside. So got the standard paperwork here, G-Shock warranty card. This is the manual. Module is 3229. I think this is the standard module for the 5600 series. So they've got a special instruction booklet here and a tool for strap changing, I think. Okay, an inner lid here. So let's just open up and see what we've got inside. Oh, yet another box here. Oh, okay, so it reveals another layer of box here. Also same material, same color here. Looks like some kind of really fancy brown, cardboard style. Okay, again, you've got all the really nice printing here. 85th anniversary project of the Porter bag company. Let's flip open this one here. Oh, okay. Well, they really put quite a bit of attention to details here. Lots of really nice prints here. So some background story on the brand here, found by Kiziro Yashida. Alright, the brand here. So the motto of the brand, heart and soul into every stitch. Okay, it's a really nice promise. Okay, so let's just take a look at the watch here. Ta-da! Okay, so can't really see much. I think I'm just going to have to remove all these plastic wraps here, and let's just take a look at the reveal again. Ta-da! One more time. Okay, so we've got this one here, a special edition or limited edition of the 5600, and do not be fooled by this black coating here. This one here is indeed a metal shroud. Okay, so it is not the resin shroud, it is a metal version, but they've also added this or swapped out to all this NATO strap kind of thing with a special strap attachment here. Just put this one here one side and we take a look at what's included here. So that one here was mounted on a NATO, and I believe this is one of those regular resin straps for anyone who prefers the good old plastic resin straps on your G-Shock. So let me just put all this thing back very nicely and put aside all the packaging and the pillows, and I give you a closer look of the watch. As promised, all packaging and wraps out of the way, and we get a closer look of the watch here. As mentioned, this one here is actually a metal shroud, okay, metal case, whatever you want to say it. So you get to see really nice brushing here at the bezel, and I think that's one of the giveaway signs that this is not a resin shroud. And okay, so over here I believe this is the same material as the Porter the Porter bag strap. So the shoulder straps and all that, I think this canvas or whatever nylon material, I think it is the same material as the bag. So I'll say this is a really good idea. Let's take a look at the hang tag here. Model reference number is GM-5600EY-1DR. So the GM would denote that this is a metal shroud or bezel version, and you also get this orangey kind of print here along the bezel, and I believe this orangey color here is the signature color of Porter. So I'm just gonna bring in the retail box to show you. Okay, so they've also, just pardon the mess here, right? So they've also added, you know, all these orange accents and bits and all that into the retail box, and I firmly believe that this is the corporate color. So on first impressions here, a really cool LE watch here, and again you see all this signature orange accents here at the case and a special case back engraving. So wow, all in all I think it's pretty cool here. So really nice looking watch. Let me do a really quick fake wrist shot here to show you. So alright, so all these squares, alright, the classic G-Shock squares, they're really interesting, and I think, you know, many people are very into collecting all these G-Shock squares. So they've got a special type of lug arrangement here, so I think you're allowed to use your own straps or something like that, so I think that's quite cool. And I'm also a big fan of the case back engraving here. It's really nicely done, right? No rough edges, and you know, I think this is quite special here. So stay tuned for the full review. This one being a very standard type of 5600, I don't think there will be a very long review, but I'm still gonna run through a full detailed review on this watch and all the functions and the special features, and probably do a comparison with the more regular 5600 series watch in time to come. So stay tuned. This is the Watch Kaki. Bye bye.